Introducing FlexAble.ai, an AI-powered ADHD-friendly task management tool for students. We simplify complex assignments into manageable subtasks, boost the students' task prioritization skills, and help them keep motivated and handle their workload in the long run. Life as a student can be overwhelming. Balancing coursework and life trivia can be particularly challenging for students with ADHD. Meet Andy, a sophomore CS student with combined ADHD. He struggled to determine the next steps of assignments and felt frustrated to get started, leading to stress, compromised work quality, and low self-efficacy. Andy's story is not unique. In 2022, 15% of US college students reported having ADHD, and up to 45% of them have learning disorders. Even those without ADHD occasionally wrestle with time and task management. Translating the understanding of self-management skills into consistent practical applications in everyday life is not easy. That's where FlexAble.ai comes in. Our AI technology based on GPT-4 analyzes task entries provided by students, even interpreting assignment requirements from uploaded documents. It breaks tasks into smaller actionable items, providing a clear roadmap for completion. Students can edit or add subtasks and archive valuable workflows, tailoring the process to their personal working habits. Our task completion celebration feature uses positive reinforcement to boost the self-efficacy in managing tasks. Setting milestones and personalizing celebration methods make task completion more rewarding, especially for individuals with ADHD. In less than a month, both students with and without ADHD reported increased confidence, motivation, improved organization skills, and a better understanding of task prioritization. FlexAble.ai master tasks, conquer deadlines, unleash productivity, and ADHD friendly.